Originally offered in the United States as the Scion M before being rebranded as the Toyota Corolla M, the compact 5-door model is getting a new name for its next generation. Prepare to meet the 2019 Corolla Hatchback, essentially a North American version of the Euro-spec Auris we saw earlier this month at the Geneva Motor Show. Compared to the model it replaces, it has been elongated by 1.5 inches at 172 inches, and all of that stretch has gone into the wheelbase, now measuring 103.9 inches. It also 1.2 inches wider at 70.5 inches and has been lowered by an inch, 56.6 inches. Like the Auris, the new Corolla Hatchback is switching to the Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) platform, and that comes along with a quieter cabin thanks to additional seals in the body panel gaps as well as more sound deadening material. While its European cousin was a bit shy and refused to show its cabin during Geneva, the windows were all blacked out, we finally get to see the revamped cabin in the US spec model. It features more spacious stowage areas, including a center console box big enough to accommodate a smartphone with a 5.5-inch touchscreen. The interior brings a mix of glossy and matte surfaces, along with very large cup holders on the front. Doors can hold 24-ounce bottles and A4-sized documents, as well as in the back where the rear doors can carry 16-ounce bottles. More important is the new 2.0-liter gasoline engine that comes to replace the old 1.8-liter unit. The direct injection engine is lighter and smaller than what the Corolla M had and generates lower noise, vibration, harshness and VH levels that should translate into a smoother and quieter ride experience. Toyota isn't saying anything for the moment regarding output, but we do know it more powerful than the 1.8-liter, which was rated at 137 horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque. The undisclosed amount of power will be channeled to the front wheels through either a new and lighter 6-speed manual. Weight is down by 15 pounds/7 kilograms to 88 pounds/40 kilograms, or a completely new continuously variable transmission. As standard, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback will be sold in the US with the second generation of the Toyota Safety Sense, so it will have a variety of systems including lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beam, lane tracing assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. 7 airbags will come as standard equipment, as will the backup camera, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay integration, and a 6-speaker sound system. The new Corolla Hatchback will celebrate its public debut next week at the New York Auto Show before going on sale this summer.